Hi, my favorite people. Welcome to the world of fully hooded eye makeup. My name is Vera and I have, fully hooded eyes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add colorful accents to hooded eyes in a way that looks more like hues than harsh color. Vibrant, elegant, intentional, but never too much. And of course, we'll sketch a winged liner that is not too bad wing, you know what I mean? Like more like classic and clean. Okay, less blah 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 and let's get to the actions. With brand happy eyelids that understands your eye shape, apex and taper brushes, colorful makeup becomes very easy. You choose your color story, then you simply distribute points of color where you want them and blend those dots together, connecting them into an, let's say, ombre effect. In 2026, we're officially back to color: blue, green, magenta, orange, yellow, all their hues depending on your event, your mood, and of course your complexion. And sparkles, sparkles, sparkles! And honestly, looking at my signature collection, Happy Eyelids feels like it was made for this moment. All these colors, all these multichrome sparkles. It's like I predicted it. Witchcraft, honestly. But in my opinion, colorful makeup never really goes out of style. Makeup is self-expression. Some days you want clean girl, that is like outdated for now, but like, what? But some days you want color, so don't follow trends. Follow your heart, baby, and have fun with it. Oh, quick survey. I also filmed the complexion video. It's coming next and it will be separate because otherwise this one would be way too long. And honestly, I don't like long videos. I'd rather watch one for skin and one for eyes. Tell me if you're the same or you want a long version video. First skin prep, complexion, and then eyes. Oh my god, please, please, please choose the first option. So, on my left eye, I'm using sandstone because it has a greenish tone that complements pastel green with white and yellow accents. And on other side, I'm using bioluminescence because it perfectly matches bubblegum blue and white. And mascara. For mascara, as always, I'm using Tarte Tube Mascara. These formulas are so easy that you can't really mess this up. They melt into the skin even with fingertips. It's effortless. Onto my eyelids, I applied only sparkles and I haven't prepped anything with a shadow base. That's why I love this sparkle so much. The formula just so cooperating, you know what I mean? And as always, I like to do my videos very practical, so this is the first makeup option. No false lashes as you like, only mascara, colorful pew pew pew, and then you're done. And now let's slay that wing liner. If your wing keeps collapsing at the outer corner, and do you know that it's not your eyeliner technique? It's your first lash at the outer corner. Okay, watch this. I'm using my Happy Eyelids shadow base in black as a placement guide. First, I map everything out. It doesn't dry instantly, so it stays workable and grips beautifully. Wing follows the direction of the lower waterline and upper lash roots, not the upper waterline. And also don't place anything onto the eyelid, like don't draw eyeliner across your eyelid, because instead we have to build a lash structure that balances the dramatic drop from the crease peak. So how do you pick the right lash cluster? The outer lash must land at the same level as the highest point of your crease. If it's wispy but too short, the outer corner will still be looking distorted. Then if it's short and too thin, it doesn't lift and it disappears. The spiky one, it fights the wing. We need a soft veil, like a real lash thickness. So then we need something that matches the crease peak and is structured like my natural lashes, like the right puzzle piece. So my personal outer corner anchor is size 14. So when I want a lifting effect, I do start at 14, then I step down 12, 10, 8 to build that clean outer corner triangle. And then I like to coating them with mascara, but just focusing on the outer corner. And of course, cleaning and aligning, sharpening out and thinning out the wing liner with flat definer brush and concealer. And by the way, I created new Happy Eyelids bundles and they are honestly the best deal on the site. You get everything for this look for about like 20 off, which is amazing deal because my prices are already pretty affordable. Bundles are such a smart buy is because you can mix the shades and create more than what you see in the jar. For example, bubblegum and blue makes the prettiest lavender lilac tone. So instead of just 3 colors, you're basically getting 4 looks at least. Each shade works alone and then you have the mixed shades too. And you can use only blue on the waterline. You can tap bubblegum in the inner corner, and bubblegum is also an amazing mixer with concealer, especially if you're fair, light, or cool toned. It gives that bright, lifted, highlighting effect right in the tear duct area. And yes, bubblegum can even be gorgeous, soft blush moment, that fresh, lifted, clean pink effect. Looking at Kardashian's makeup, they are obsessed with this effect. Honestly, me too. And now when I'm happy with all the mapping, everything, I'm intensifying the wing liner with my amazing angled eyeliner brush and Inglot gel liner. Look how easily it gets in those hard to reach areas, and I like to spread leftovers onto my lower lash roots. Please don't forget to clean and align the edges. This is such an important and unfortunately in most of cases overlooked step. Oh, and by the way, I'm discontinuing tapered brush. I'm a little bit sad. Hopefully it might get back sometime, but for now I have to discontinue it. So if you want it in your kit, because it's still very different than other tapered brushes on the market, so if you want it in your kit, this is your last chance to get it, especially in the 5-piece set. Once it's gone, it's gone. My beloved adorable siren effect, because it's also so easy to do it with angled eyeliner. And today I'm in the mood for a very soft siren effect. Okay, now my favorite people, please tell me which team are you, green or blue? And if you like this tutorial, if it was helpful for you, if you have any questions, maybe recommendations, anything related to makeup, and I don't know, I'm like an open book, ask me. Making those expressions, I just want to show you that wing doesn't distort and disappear when you're laughing. And please, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, subscribe please, okay? Please stay with me, because I'm gonna show you so much more, seriously. And I appreciate you so much, love you so much. Please don't forget to share this video with other hooded eye people, other people you think that will benefit from my videos. They have to know that I exist. And for those amazing people who are always leaving comments, supporting me, buying my products, oh my god, thank you so much. You're amazing. I love you.